Oops, a little bit of power drop there. Another power drop. And that brings up the rear of the Western Northeast and other affiliation of railroads like the Erie Lackawanna, Penn Central, and the New Haven. We'd like to wish you a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. From my layout to yours, have a safe one, and have an awesome New Year and a Merry Christmas as well. And so Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to all my buddies on there on YouTube and friends, subscribers, everybody. Just want to say thank you, and it's been a great 2010's been awesome. So I'll give you one more last look at the train, and we'll call this video good. Alright. Power drop again, watch. It's gonna drop. Oh, cool. Didn't do it that time. Except the headlights off. Kind of bugs me. Nope, didn't turn on yet. There it goes. Just in case you guys don't know, this is an Erie Lackawanna SD45-2, number 3681 by Athearn Genesis, finely crafted, leading this what can I call this train? The CS1, Christmas Special 1. I have some lights. For those of you who go to my school, might recognize those lights. They're just simple battery operated. They're on a string of wires and looped back to the hopper car. like Chicago, Illinois, Midland car there. That's where the power is. My dedication to EMD SD14R, also known as, his real name is Eddie Wells. So that's our private car, the railroad's private car, right there, and we just lost our train. Yeah, oops. Hang on one sec. There we go. It's a heavy load. Yeah, just a big McHenry couplers. But okay, there's those cars. Eddie also gave me this car as well, which makes it awesome for awesome light display. You see those? Kind of reminds me of the holiday train, CP's holiday train. There's the Eddie Wells Jr. car with a Corey Rush. If you guys know Corey Rush, I'm sure you do. But he gave me that figure from that guy from one of his engines. I think engine 610, or no, not 610. One of his diversity engines that he had. He let me have the little dude in there. Also here's the I can't talk. Stroud's Creek and Muddlety, WN 2544, Erie C354 custom painted bicentennial caboose, 2545 flanger caboose, 2543 WN caboose, 2541 WN caboose, C3708 Baltimore, Ohio, Erie C345 custom painted caboose, and 2542 WN switch melting caboose, and Erie C307 bay window caboose, and last but not least, Walther's Gold Line Penn Central B60B baggage car. All this stuff runs like a dream. Well, what a Christmas train. I would have added those two coaches over there, but they don't run very good, so they're just display. But and I also got this Bethlehem steel sign. Can't forget about that there. Sorry about the poor lighting. Well, I turned my my Tesla lights off, or excuse me, my fluorescent lights. Well, for those of you who know who Tesla is, he was the one that came up with the fluorescent light. I call them Teslas. But yeah, I turned off my lights so you could see the lights for the Bethlehem steel sign and my Christmas lights, and especially the headlight on the 3681. So, well, I've already made this video long enough, so happy holidays, and thanks for watching, guys. Greatly appreciate it. We'll be talking to you. Steve out.